Very good morning, students. In Accounts Chapter 3, Valuation of Goodwill, we have already started practical part, that is methods of valuation of goodwill. In that we have completed first method, average profit method. Under average profit method, we can find the value of goodwill by two simple steps. By two simple formulas, we can find the value of goodwill. Today we are going to start second method, that is weighted average profit method. Now what is different in weighted average profit method compared to average profit? Let us understand with one illustration. From the following information, find the value of goodwill based on 2 years purchase of last 4 years weighted average profit. See, here we have to apply weighted average profit method. Here you have profit for certain years. In previous method, we were just directly making total of profit and applying two formulas. But here in second method, we have to consider trend. Now what is trend? Trend is continuous increase or decrease in profit. You can see here profit is continuously increasing. 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. So this shows increasing trend. The same way, if profit is in reverse, like 70,000, 60,000, 50,000 and then 40,000, so that shows decreasing trend. So when we are considering trend, we have to apply second method, weighted average profit method. Now what will be the formula, how to solve this sum with weighted average profit method? Now see, here we have profit for certain years. As per weighted average profit method, first we need to assign weights. Now weights will be assigned in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the maximum weight is to be given to recent year. Like today we are in 2020, so which is the recent past year? 2019. So here among all the recent year is 2016-17. So there should be 4. So we will start with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have weights. We have to find weighted profit by multiplying profit with weight. Here we will do multiplication of profit and weight, so we can find the column of weighted profit. Like here 40,000 multiply 1, 40,000, 50,000 multiply 2, 1 lakh, 60,000 multiply 3, 1 lakh 80,000, 70,000 multiply 4, 2 lakh 80,000, and then we will make the total here 6 lakhs. And what is the total of weights? It is 10. Now under weighted average profit method, same way, there will be two steps. The first, here we were finding average profit, here weighted average profit. Now see, in average profit method, the formula was total profit divided by number of years. But here we have total weighted profit. So here total weighted profit divided by total weights instead of number of years. So by applying this formula, we will get 6 lakhs divided by 10. So here our weighted average profit will be 60,000. This was our first step. Come to the second step to find goodwill. Goodwill is equals to, there was average profit multiply number of years. Here instead of average profit, we will consider weighted average profit. So weighted average profit multiply number of years purchase. Now see, what is our weighted average profit? 60,000. And number of years purchase, that is given in your question. See, 2 years purchase. So we will multiply with 2. So we will get 1,20,000. That is our goodwill. Let us revise all theory and practical part of this method. Weighted average profit method. Trend of profit is to be considered. Yes, we are considering trend in this method. Trend is continuous increase or decrease in profit. That I have explained you. Profit will be continuously in increasing manner or decreasing. Then weights are to be given. Yes, we are giving weight, more weight to be profit of the recent year. Yes, we have learned that the recent year will get more weight. And then comparatively less weights to the profit of previous year. Weightage of different years profit are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now steps under this method. The first one is to prepare the table where profit is given with years. You have to assign weight. Here you have to assign more weight to the recent year and then to the previous year. Then in fourth column you have to find weighted profit by multiplying profit with weights. Then step 2, weighted average profit is equals to total weighted profit divided by total weight. Both details we can get from table. This is total profit, total weighted profit divided by total weight. Then step 3, to find goodwill. Goodwill is equals to weighted average profit multiplied number of years purchase. Weighted average profit you can get from step 2 and number of years purchase will be given in your question. Here we are finding weighted average profit by giving weights. And then we are finding goodwill with the help of weighted average profit. So this method is called weighted average profit method of goodwill. For such kind of sum, there will be specific instruction in your question, or in question profit shows increasing or decreasing trend. Only in these circumstances you have to apply this method. From the following information, find the value of goodwill based on 2 years purchase of last 5 years profit with weighted average profit method. See, there is clear instruction and you have profit for certain years. As we will solve the sum with weighted average profit, we have to consider trend. Here you can see profit is continuously decreasing. 19,000, 15,000, 12,000, 10,000 and 5,000. So by weighted average profit method, first we will prepare the table. I'll prepare with this information. Column of weight and column of weighted profit. Here we have to assign weight in numbers. So first let us count that how many years information is given. 5. So we will start with the recent year. Here recent year is 2015-16. So we will start from here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now in fourth column we have to find weighted profit. we can find weighted profit by multiplying profit with weights. Yes. So here 19,000 multiply 1, 19,000, 15,000 multiply 2, 30,000, 12,000 multiply 3, 36,000, 10,000 multiply 4, 40,000, 5,000 multiply 5, 25,000. Now we will make the total of weighted profit and weights. Here we will get 15 and here 1,50,000. Now we have prepared the table. This was step 1. Now step 2. Step 2 is to find weighted average profit. Weighted average profit is equals to total weighted profit. I'll write in short. Total weighted profit divided by total weights. So here we have total weighted profit 1,50,000 and total weights, that is 15. So we will get 10,000, that is our weighted average profit. Now come to step 3. To find goodwill, goodwill is equals to weighted average profit multiply number of years purchase. Now weighted average profit we can get from step 2, that is 10,000, and number of years purchase is given in your question, 2 years purchase. So we will multiply with 2, we will get 20,000, that is our goodwill. Just make sure while giving weights, you have to give more weight not to the maximum profit. You have to give more weight to the recent year. If you have any doubt, you can contact me.